Have you ever found yourself stuck in a negative thought spiral, feeling like there is no escape? Imagine if you could change those thoughts and transform your life. Picture turning every I can't into I can, and every I'm not good enough into I am capable. Sounds amazing, right? Welcome to Case Calm Kit. In today's video, we are diving into the basics of cognitive restructuring, what it is, how it works, and why it's a game changer for your mental health. By the end of this video, you will have a solid understanding of how to start transforming your thoughts for the better. This video is the first in our series on cognitive restructuring, where we will explore how to change those pesky negative thought patterns that hold us back. And that's just the beginning. In our next video, we will take a closer look at identifying the negative thoughts that creep into our minds daily. So stick around, hit that subscribe button, and let's embark on this journey towards a more positive and empowered mindset together. So what exactly is cognitive restructuring? In simple terms, cognitive restructuring is a therapeutic process that helps you identify and challenge those negative thought patterns that we all have from time to time. It's about recognizing those automatic thoughts that bring you down and transforming them into more positive and realistic ones. Think of it as a mental spring cleaning where you get rid of the clutter and make space for thoughts that actually serve you. Now, you might be wondering, why is this important? Well, the goal of cognitive restructuring is to improve your mental health by changing the way you perceive and respond to various situations. By shifting your thought patterns, you can reduce feelings of anxiety, stress, and depression. It's about empowering yourself to see challenges in a new light, respond more calmly, and ultimately lead a happier and more balanced life. Alright, let's break down how cognitive restructuring works step by step with a common example to illustrate each part of the process. Number 1. Identifying negative thoughts. The first step is to catch those negative thoughts when they pop up. These thoughts are often automatic and can feel like background noise, but they have a big impact on our mood and behavior. Let's say you are preparing for a big presentation at work and you think, I'm going to mess this up. By simply identifying and acknowledging this thought, you take the first step toward addressing it. Now you know what you are working with. Number 2. Challenging those thoughts. The next step is to challenge the negative thoughts. Ask yourself if those thoughts are really true. What evidence do you have to support or refute them? For the thought, I'm going to mess this up, ask yourself, is it true that I'm going to mess up? What evidence do I have? You must realize I've prepared well for this presentation. I've done well in similar situations before. People generally respond positively to my presentations. By challenging the thought, you start to see that it might not be as accurate as it feels. Number 3. Replacing them with positive thoughts. Once you've challenged the negative thoughts, the next step is to replace them with more positive and realistic ones. Instead of I'm going to mess this up, you might replace it with I might feel nervous, but I'm prepared and capable. I can handle this presentation. This new thought is more balanced and encouraging. It acknowledges your nervousness, but also reinforces your capability and preparation, which can help reduce anxiety and boost confidence. Number 4. Practicing this regularly. Finally, practice makes perfect. The more you practice identifying, challenging, and replacing negative thoughts, the easier and more automatic it becomes. Think about other areas of your life where you experience negative thoughts. Apply the same process regularly. Over time, you will start to notice a shift in how you think and respond to challenging situations. Negative thoughts will become less frequent and less powerful, while positive and realistic thoughts become your new default. By breaking down the process into these manageable steps and practicing regularly, you will gradually transform your thought patterns and improve your overall mental health. Now that we've covered how cognitive restructuring works, let's talk about why it's so beneficial. Cognitive restructuring can have a profound impact on both your mental health and daily life. First and foremost, by changing negative thought patterns, cognitive restructuring can significantly improve your mental health. Negative thoughts are often at the root of anxiety, depression, and stress. When we repeatedly think negatively, we reinforce those feelings of anxiety and hopelessness. But by identifying, challenging, and replacing these thoughts, we can break that cycle. For example, if you often think I'm not good enough, this can lead to feelings of low self-esteem and depression. Through cognitive restructuring, you learn to challenge that thought and replace it with something more positive, like I'm capable and improving every day. This shift can reduce feelings of anxiety and depression, helping you feel more balanced and in control. But the benefits don't stop here. Cognitive restructuring can also have practical, everyday benefits that enhance your overall well-being. By fostering a more positive mindset, you can improve your relationships. For instance, if you often think nobody likes me, it can lead to social withdrawal and strained relationships. Replacing that with I'm valued by those who know me well encourages more positive interactions and stronger connections. Additionally, a positive mindset can boost your productivity. Negative thoughts like I will never get this done can be paralyzing and lead to procrastination. But if you replace that with I can tackle this step by step, you are more likely to stay motivated and get things done. This can lead to greater success and satisfaction in both your personal and professional life. In essence, cognitive restructuring helps you develop a healthier, more positive outlook in life. It equips you with the tools to handle challenges more effectively and to view yourself and your capabilities in a more constructive light. The result is a happier, more productive you, ready to take on whatever life throws your way. I hope you found value in this video. If you are eager to go even deeper, I've put a link to a detailed video that breaks down cognitive restructuring and explains in depth how to change negative thoughts patterns. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content on transforming your mindset. Here at Case Count Kit, we share weekly tools to help you become calmer and more in control of your thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. I would love to hear from you. What negative thought patterns have you noticed in your own life? How have you tried to challenge them? Share your experiences in the comments below and let's support each other on this journey. In the next video, we will dive into identifying those negative thought patterns that can hold you back. So stay tuned. I can't wait to continue this journey with you. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video. Much love.